When you arrive at Mile to Wild for your Lower Animas rafting trip, a greeter will meet you at the door to check you in. Just make sure you know what name your reservation is under. If you completed your waiver and registration packet online, you will not need to fill out a paper waiver. If you didn't complete the online waiver, you'll need to fill one out. Next, if you rented wetsuits, we'll give you tokens to take out to our wetsuit cage where our expert guides will get you fitted with the correct size. If you rented a wetsuit or not, use the changing rooms to get dressed and ready to hit the river. You can store your car keys on our hooks for safekeeping. Don't donate your keys to the river. The hooks are located on the column near the front desk. After you're changed and your keys are stored on a hook, meet your guide at the wetsuit cage. Your guide will get you a PFD, paddle, and a helmet upon request. While you're waiting for everyone to suit up, you can check out our awesome yard games. Once everyone is ready, load the fun bus for your adventure down the infamous Lower Animas River. When you return from your trip, change out of your wet clothes and grab your car keys. You can also purchase Mile to Wild souvenirs and photos from your trip in our full retail store. And if you enjoyed your ride, don't forget to leave a tip for your guide. And that's all it takes to check in for a Lower Animas rafting trip. Simple, fun, and easy.